I was in Pattaya in Thailand, not very far away from Bangkok, and we were starting the day in the harbor of Pattaya and about to go out on a 15-minute boat ride to an island where the water is crystal clear and blue. Follow along as I explore this paradise island on a scooter and enjoy the nice scenery, food, and amazing water. Hello everybody and welcome to another video here from Pattaya, Thailand. Today we're heading out to the island of Koh Lan. Gonna take a speedboat for 150 baht. There's also a bigger, slower boat that costs only 30 baht. But that one I believe takes about 40 minutes. The speedboat maybe at the most 10-15 minutes. As I mentioned in previous videos, I came to this location south of Bangkok mainly because of the quick access to Bangkok's airport and also the overall affordability. Also fairly nice beaches and just 15 minutes outside the amazing island of Koh Lan. So this is the Bali pier here and you get the tickets right here. So it's a bit hectic here. We got a ticket going on the speedboat. The slower boat, you just walk all the way up to the end and then get straight onto that boat because they fill up much faster. Getting the ticket was really easy. And after just a few minutes, we all walked out on the dock. Maybe a group of about 15 people or so. Pattaya sign right there. Here we have the speedboat. We all had to have life jackets on. And it was quite easy to get onto the boat and didn't take long before we were on the way. We were coming into the island, and by the harbor is a small town where nearly all of the 1,000 residents live. The rest of the island is more elevated, with steep terrain and several nice beaches spread around it. We have arrived to the island of Koh Lan here. Took maybe 15 minutes at the most. To get to the nice beaches, you would have to take one of these small minivans to go to the opposite side of the island where the nice beaches are. The bus is only about 30 baht, but I had decided to rent a scooter for 200 baht.
Best camera. Okay. No scam. No scam.
For my friend here. So I got this rental scooter here for 200 baht. Can have it all day, but he said no helmet, so that's really bad. I asked him initially if he had a helmet and he said yes, but then when I got the scooter there was no helmet, so we're gonna have to be driving carefully. Now we're driving up to the viewpoint here at the top of the island where my friend, he's gonna do some kind of hang gliding, I think. So let's head over there. There we go, on the way. A lot of people here at the very beginning. And you have to be careful so you don't hit somebody. So I'm gonna be starting the drone here now from the very top of the island, and you can actually see the skyline of Pattaya, all the buildings from here. It's quite a cool view. Today the winds are not that strong, so it seems like they cannot be taking off. We're gonna go now and meet my other friend here. Let's head out now on a 9-minute drive down to my friend. I was on the scooter and heading to the nicest beach I saw from the drone, called Samae Beach. it seemed to have the nicest water and also the most restaurants. Here we go, my friends. I'm leaving this area, or the top, and driving down to, I saw from, whoa, oh I forgot, it's left side traffic here. I was going on the right side and then I almost crashed with these scooters here. Well, yeah, we're going, I saw from my drone shot, the nicest beaches are over there. So here we go. Rum, rum, rum. Whoa, it's steep. Oh, the brakes are no good on this scooter. And it's really steep, this street. Oh, oh. A good thing I have this. Or wait. Yeah, we're going over here. Oh, look at this. Now we see the beach here on this side. How nice. We can see super nice water here. We are going on the safari. See the lions of Malari in safari time. I follow you. Oh, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa, very dangerous. Yeah. Oh, we have to go here. Wow, where are we going? This is such a weird street, but really nice and green here, like quite preserved. They have preserved everything here on this island. Oh, now we're going steep up. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, oh. We are going on a safari. It's safari time. It's not that much further anyways, so I'll see you when I get to the beach. A couple of minutes, 4 minutes only left. But this street was kind of crazy, like dangerous. I came down on some kind of better street here. Look. I don't know what this means in Thai, but and there's a sign here blinking 30. You can only drive 30. Yeah, I think I was at this beach. This girl from Russia that I met. Yoo-hoo, I made it. Let's see if we can park here. I had arrived to the beach, and what a nice view it was to see this crystal clear blue water. What we have here. So just ordered some cashew nut chicken and rice here with a passion fruit smoothie. The chicken and rice 200 baht and the smoothie I think 80 baht or so. And we're sitting here right on the beach here. I think on probably one of the best beaches. We're gonna jump in now, cool off a bit. See how nice the water is. Oh, good temperature. Here we have all the people swimming. Really nice water here, nice and clear, but I don't have my waterproof case, so we're gonna put the camera on the water this time. Oh, how good is this? Cool off, cool off, cool off. Oh, yeah. Ah, very good. Boy. So here we have the cashew nut chicken, pretty good. Bell pepper, onion. What else? Chicken, cashew nuts. Pretty good. With rice. Awesome. Good. Yeah, I really recommend coming here because the beach and the water is so much nicer here than in Pattaya, and it only takes 15 minutes to get here. Also quite cheap food, paid 200 baht for the chicken stuff, so not bad at all. We had walked along the beach to the end where there was a viewpoint and a lot of fallen rocks and some nice green landscapes. How nice is this? Actually, it doesn't get much better. This is as good as it gets pretty much in Thailand. Super clear, nice blue water, a bit of mountains there, except for the limestone cliff formations that you have in Krabi, Phi Phi Island, I believe. Yeah, a little bit taller mountains there, but here almost as good as it gets. The frying is deep here. I fell asleep. I have to swim again. Oh, felt so good to sleep a little bit. Let's jump in again and cool off. Oh, so good. Nice water, perfect temperature. We had spent all day on the beach, but got on the scooter before the last boat would head back, just to check out another beach before it was too late. This is another beach here at the very, I think, west side of the island maybe. Also nice, they all look quite similar. This one has a little bit more green areas here. A few boats, but same nice water. Not as many people, but... So, if you're coming here, you can also take the bus that you just saw there. It costs 30 baht and it goes to any beach here on the island. But if you want to rent a scooter and you want to go to all the beaches, probably cheaper to rent a scooter. It was 200 baht for the scooter, I think 30 ride per trip. Now we're about to go back. I could see the slower boat coming into the dock. And really, I think it's worth it to take the speedboat instead. Speedboat! Thank you. What time is it leaving?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay. Do you have number on it or 17?
Yes, I told you.
We're back here from this 15-minute ride. Took the speedboat again. Pretty good day there. Really nice beaches, perfect water, green, nice mountains, good food, everything great. Now we're just waiting for a taxi to head back to where we are living at the moment. So, thanks for watching this video, my friends. Please leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video, and post a comment to let me know what you thought about Koh Lan. In the next video, I actually have to be out of Thailand because my visa is expiring, so I have to fly out somewhere. Haven't decided yet where I'm going, only have a couple of more days. So I've been 2 months in Thailand already. Time went by so fast. Thought about maybe flying to Singapore, maybe Hong Kong, or even Taiwan. And then probably coming back to Thailand, getting the DTV visa. So to get the 5-year visa, valid for 6 months at the time, you have to apply outside of Thailand. So that's probably what I'm going to be doing. Once I land in the other country, I apply for DTV visa, come back to Thailand, and then I have 5 years. Can just be here 6 months or even a year at a time without even leaving from Thailand. So that's really great. One of the reasons why I came back to Thailand, because of this incredible visa that they now have for digital nomads. Yep. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. You're gonna learn a lot of things in that video. or in the coming videos when I explain how the visa works, going to some really nice other incredible country here, Singapore or wherever I end up going. So subscribe to see more of Southeast Asia. Anyways, thanks again for watching and see you next time. And also, if you click on the video in the top right corner of the screen here, it will take you to my new channel where I post music videos. So please watch the video and subscribe to that channel as well.